Hello, Sim Club Explorer. Welcome back to our YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to be making an amazing experiment, very fun and exciting experiment. It is called the foam fountain. Yes, the foam fountain. It grows super fast and it's exciting. It is going to teach us something very important. That's the exothermic reaction. Okay, so exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that releases energy into its surrounding in form of heat, sound, electricity, and all that, causing the surrounding to actually warm up. So we're going to be experiencing such reaction in today's experiment. So let's get started. So with me here are the materials that I need. This is the flask that I'm going to be using. We need our color, we need the dish soap, this is hydrogen peroxide, and this is catalyst. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to place this here and open it up. I have my hydrogen peroxide here, about 300 ml, and I'm going to pour that in here. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of food coloring. Dish soap, are you ready for this amazing experiment? I'm going to clear my table first. Make sure I have enough space for all this. Okay, so now I'm going to add my catalyst. I'm going to pour some here. Are you ready for this? From 3, are we ready? Let's do that. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Look at this! Look at it! It's shooting up like a foam mountain! Wow! This is our foam mountain. You can see how beautiful it is and how big it is. Wow! Can you see our foam fountain? It's interesting, right? In this experiment, the hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen gas, and the catalyst speeds up the rate of chemical reaction. It allows the reaction to be very fast. And the last one, that's the dish soap that we use, traps the oxygen gas and makes it, to create more and lots of foams and lots of foams. And you can see it's foamy and all, and it's able to form a foam mountain. So this is the end of our experiment for today. If you know you really enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe for more fun and amazing science experiments. See you in the next video. Bye.